If you are deaf or hard of hearing, you have a right to clear, effective communication to enjoy shows and events. Some examples of places and events that must provide effective communication are movie theaters, sports stadiums and arenas, amusement parks, festivals, television, and the internet. What is effective communication? Communication that is clear enough that you can understand what is happening as well as hearing people can. Examples of accommodations to make communication more clear include using qualified sign language interpreters, using closed captioning or CART services, using closed caption glasses for theaters, or a script so you are able to see and follow along, using assistive listening devices if you need amplification, providing special seating where you can hear better, see the interpreter, speech read the speaker, or read the CART services. If you go into a public place and they have a TV, you can ask them to turn on the closed captioning so you are able to watch and enjoy during dinner. Under a new law, over the next few years, more and more videos shown on the computer, iPads, and smartphones will be required to have closed captioning available. Again, places of entertainment must provide other communication aids and services. The right communication aid or service will not be the same for every person. What can you do to make sure you have clear communication at places of entertainment? As soon as you decide to go to an event, tell them you are deaf or hard of hearing and what you need for special accommodations. For example, an interpreter, captioning services, etc. Before the event, contact them and ask them if arrangements have been made. If they have not made arrangements, ask the place of entertainment for exactly what you need and explain why that will work best for you. If possible, give the contact information for the organization that can send interpreters or captioners, or the equipment that can allow you to enjoy and have access to places of entertainment. Be sure to give them the name of the organization, telephone number, and email address, and they will be able to work out the accommodations for you. In Pennsylvania, interpreters must be certified. As a deaf or hard of hearing person, you may encounter an interpreter who is very skilled and meets your needs for clear communication. You have a right to request that person to interpret for you, but you must first sign a waiver stating that you are willing to accept this interpreter even though they are not certified. As they are interpreting, you realize you do not understand what is being said. You then have the right to change your mind and ask for a certified interpreter. You will have to sign another form. These two forms are found on the internet at the Pennsylvania Office of the Deaf and Hard of Hearing, ODHH. Go to the website and you can print out both forms. If you believe you have been discriminated against by any place of entertainment, you may file complaints at the following addresses: If you need more information or need help, please contact the Intake Unit at the Disability Rights Network of Pennsylvania, DRN. Our phone number is 800-692-7443. Another option is TDD at 877-375-7139. Or you can email us at intake@drnpa.org. Website www.drnpa.org. The Disability Rights Network was set up to advance, protect, and advocate for human, civil, and legal rights for people with disabilities who live in Pennsylvania. Since our time and money is limited, the Disability Rights Network cannot help every individual who needs help with advocacy and legal problems. The Disability Rights Network picks the cases that have the best chance to help as many people with disabilities as possible throughout Pennsylvania. While we cannot help everyone, we do want to give everyone information and referral options. Important: these videos are for general information only. Just seeing these videos does not mean that the Disability Rights Network is your lawyer. Please understand, these videos are not the same thing as talking with a lawyer about your specific problem. This project is supported by a grant from the Pennsylvania Developmental Disabilities Council.